Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So just first we should launch the screen recorder settings. To do that we should launch the settings application and then scroll to the display section. After that, scroll all the way down to the screen record, and here you'll see the resolution. Just we can switch it from 180 to 1080 to 720. Also we can use or just open the screen recorder settings by the second way. Just first open the notification panel and somewhere find here the screen record icon. In my case it's here. After that, just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings, and by this way you can also change their resolution. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.